Welcome to Ken's Garage. Today, we're going to be attempting to work on a lawnmower that doesn't want to run. These three are all 10 millimeter. I already took the air cleaner off, which is self-explanatory. I need an extension so I can actually get my fingers in there. Okay, that was a nut. And I don't know if this means anything, but this was pretty loose when right when I opened the air cleaner up. Alright, what's behind door number 1? Oh boy. I don't see a gasket at all. So, what the hell? Okay, there is this thing, which looks like it's like a bushing. It just goes around. Okay, trying to see what the hell's going on here. Where's that? That's 10 mil also. Okay. Hopefully the thing don't just fly apart on me. Oh my god, that's tight. Okay. Okay. Not sure what's what here. Can you peek down in behind here at all? Okay, there's that thing. That lines up with the bolt hole with the back of this bottom one. And that is just a clamp that holds that. There's the clamp there. So, if I get this off somehow, nicely, gently. Okay. Not sure how to do this. Okay. That comes out that way. Ugh. Can't see these two things, but when you put it back together, it just slides back in. Okay, there we go, that's disconnected. This connects to here, which runs this. You know what, just for easiness, I'm going to pop this one loose. Now, this whole unit will slide out of there. That's a side now. Okay. Now, I don't know what that is. It's almost like a throttle or something. Okay. All I'm trying to do is get the damn carb off here. So, take this little baby spring off. Not sure why you need a little baby spring up there, but that's factory. This is what? You can't see. Is that like an S thing too? I can't tell anything. No, it just pops straight up. Okay, which hooks to the arm up here? Can you zoom in here or show at all? That's an S shape. Okay. And Keg said this might be the problem. Is this hose, but I'm not seeing anything obstructing anything. So I'm blaming it on the carburetor, which is right here, which is why I'm trying to disconnect everything. Alright. Now, alright. Okay, there's that clamp. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. There we go. We got that. This is going to spray gasoline everywhere. No, I don't want to pull hard on that. Bring it loose like this. Do not want to pop a hole in that. It moved, but I can't get it to. Okay, there it just broke loose. Okay, now I gotta be quick because it's gonna want to drain gas out. Alright, now gas line's off. Thanks to my wife for helping. Okay. That looks nasty. Okay, inside of there is a butterfly, looks like. That's some kind of... Oh, here's a gasket. The only reason I'm pulling all this apart is to clean it up a little bit. It looked like 2 gaskets with a piece of rubber in between. Alright, where's that little bolt? There. And I think, since I got this right here, I'm going to take advantage of it. And it's going to become my little... I need some gas to clean. Hey. Stay, baby, stay. Right. Now, 10 mil was what this was too. Oh yeah. I had this open already. That tells me. Okay, hear that? That's the float. I'm guessing that holds the bowl on. I don't have a shot vise either, so I don't know how well this is gonna work. Oh, that worked. That actually worked. I haven't changed socket size at all yet. Ah, there we go. All right, there's your float. When the gas fills up, it shuts it off. Okay, that looks like it's working just fine. I don't want to tear into that too much. I don't see anything real fantastically gross in there. But alright, so we'll see if it actually starts this time. Well, there you go. There's my lawnmower repair. I guess the whole point of this is not to show that I know what I'm doing, because I did not. I've never worked on a lawnmower before. But, however, if you put your mind to it, you can do it. Never give up. Have a great one. Love you.